getting some throat and shit from a nice, a wholesome chick.
We're getting goated.
Welcome back to the channel.
What up, everybody? So today we're gonna be servicing my Ford F350. It's a 08.
That's Big Red.
That is Big Red, also AKA. And what we got here is our sending unit. And this is a non-serviceable part. The older years, or like the 2007 and lower, you can service this part here. But unfortunately with my year and up, you can't service these. So the pickup tube on these trucks is common. It's called the quarter tank problem. And what happens is this pickup tube breaks off. Bam! Just comes off, so then you're left here with missing about, I would say, 5 gallons of gas not getting sucked up, creating air bubbles, pockets. And my actual sending unit is reading, sometimes it reads, sometimes it doesn't, so that's why I got the whole unit. But I've
What symptoms are you experiencing?
So what happens is that I could be at a quarter tank and it would just shut off. Try to restart it, it'll start up for just a little bit, die. So the last time that happened, I damn near burned up the starter. And now, just doing a little bit of research, found out that this is a common problem with these trucks. So now, I bought this part on Parts Geek. Normally they're about $700, but on Parts Geek you can find them for $350. I would suggest going that route just because it's a lot cheaper.
All right,
you know?
let's jump under the truck and get this gas tank down.
Let's get it.
All right. If you guys recall, here's Big Red F350. You guys could probably see in the reflection. You got a little 67 Nova chilling right there. But today's episode, we're gonna hopefully drop this tank and replace the sending unit.
Save my face too. Hopefully that doesn't come down. Now first,
let me know you when we get the jack under there.
We're gonna wait for that. First things first, you gotta remove a couple of hose clamps right here at the filler neck. I'm just gonna loosen them up.
Camera guy's saving the day.
Saving the day right now.
Yeah, I'm not just good behind the camera. Look at that. I'm loosening it up.
Now the first thing you want to take off is a shield on these guys. Remove the 10mm bolts here. Watch your face for sure when you're underneath here. These things are dusty.
Dusty. Knock the dust off that thing.
You know?
Make sure she ain't loose.
We don't want none of that. Just want to hold pressure in the middle. It's not the gas tank, it's just the guard.
Watch your face, bruh.
Oh yeah. She comes down. And it's just gonna be 2 bolts for this strap. The other side is just, it's got a hook on it.
Keep going?
Yep. Go ahead. A little more. Got that nice and loose. That one's coming out easy.
That one just flopped down.
Yeah. So that comes off with it. Once we drop the gas tank, that'll come down.
Back in motion.
So we got a lot of desert dust, but I'm just kind of easily tapping this because it's Ford plastic.
Desert dust.
Ford plastic.
If you're ever in a bush and you need some lubricant, diesel.
Yep. All right, ready?
Ready.
This is where the magic happens. And it is
Oh,
broken.
it is broken.
It is. This is what I was talking about at the beginning of the video.
Well, don't let your eyes fool you. It is freaking sunset right now. We've been struggling with this We just got back. We had to make a run in my truck because the fuel sending unit Sean ordered is not the right fuel sending unit for the gas tank. So we have run into some complications. And this started out as a fuel sending unit replacement. And we have decided it's gonna be a pickup line filter replacement because this is a special order part and we cannot find this fuel sending unit at any of the local shops. So we are just gonna snafu the old one back in.
And your truck started.
And I accidentally started my truck somehow, remote.
And it's because they sent me the wrong one.
Oh, they sent us the wrong replacement part.
So now we're here. And I feel like this is gonna be the same thing. This is diesel grade hose that's gonna be connecting this to the filler. And I just gotta make sure that it's tight enough.
So we have a slight deviation in the trajectory of this video. But isn't that how most videos start? You're like, yeah, we're gonna knock this out in an hour, and 4 hours later, you're doing some completely different.
This is not ideal, but like I said, we're here.
We're changing the title to How to Save Yourself 250 bucks.
You know?
All you gotta do is buy this part, this pickup line filter, replace it versus changing the entire pickup.
And here's the thing. You have to get it from an 07, so my truck is an 08. I had to get this from an 07. And I believe it goes from, like, it also works for a 7.3, but this is for a 6.0, this one. And it'll save you quite a bit of money.
There, show the bottom of that thing.
There's
That's
your
all it
pickup.
is. That's all it is. The filter.
This is gonna be flammable.
Diesel? Nah, we'll be
Little
fine.
bit.
We'll be alright. I think we'll be alright.
So I want to say,
I got like 3 fire extinguishers sitting right over there.
I mean, even if we cut off just like a half an inch.
Well, that's what I was saying. Put
Yeah.
this in there, set it back in the tank so I can measure how far of a
Gotcha.
gap it is, how much we need to cut off.
We'll go an eighth from that to give it a little bit of a gap, so it's not just hitting the bottom.
Okay. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. So put it where it needs to be.
Here we go, folks. After Daniel cut that pipe, oh, we can even go a little lower. Perfect. Now that Daniel cut that pipe, we're right in line where it's supposed to be. It's perfect. All right, now this should fit exactly where we need it. It's got these 2 little holes. That's what I should have noticed from the other one. And all it does, it sits in the groove as soon as I find the grooves. There it is. The pattern of the ring here. Oh yeah.
We are slowly plugging along. We got one hanger holding the tank up.
Moving down.
And we're gonna move to the front side. Get this other hanger. Here, got these bolts for you.
If you have this kind of flow over 50, you're doing well. This, I just gotta tell you guys, me and Danny went through it today for this.
What time is it? It's like,
I don't even want to look.
8:30, and I think we started at 3.
We did, and there was a lot of obstacles. Ford put on a lot of obstacles.
I wonder whoever charges labor to do this job charges so much. It's really.
Listen, we're gonna be
Really gets
professional gamblers. Just go ahead and donate below if you want us to be gamblers because we feel like it's over.
It's like our fifth YouTube, and we're already retired. We've been laying in diesel for the last few hours under the truck, trying to get this thing running.
If there's air, I'm just gonna prime it. Like I'm gonna do the key bump, let the pump work. And then like I said, we can also go to the front and just make sure that there's no air bubbles. And that's because I hit the automatic start. I hit the automatic start in my pocket and diesel went everywhere.
Yeah, well, none of the hoses were hooked up.
We weren't happy about that.
I hope it's picking it up.
Hear it?
Yeah. That looks solid.
That one looks solid too.
Looks solid. All right.
Let's do one more canoodle and then we'll try to fire it off. That one fought me. Here we go.
Sounded like you're getting some throat and shit from a nice, a wholesome chick.
We're getting goated. Here we go, bro.
All right.
I'll have to stay running.
Moment of truth. I mean, so far so good. Alright, that's it for tonight.
Final words is, still don't be afraid to tackle your own project.
See you on the next one.